What would have what would have happened if presented by Yuri Andrea Alfonso, teacher Ángela Garzón. A negative anecdote you have had. A negative anecdote that I had in a stay of a flight in Madrid was to take care of a coworker who was drunk. What did it happen? When we arrived on the flight to Madrid, some of my colleagues got together and went to have a drink at the hotel pool. I decided to go to sleep. What was the matter? In the evening hours, I went down to eat and I found them. The partner was very taken, and when we arrived at the restaurant, fell down the stairs and was unconscious because he had a blow to the head. I got too scared. The other coworkers did not know what to do. I asked them to call an ambulance to have him checked. I was disappointed because I helped her all night and she turned out to be bad for me. It impacted me to see the state in which she was after a long journey and tired. What did you regret about? When the ambulance arrived, they helped her to react. They gave her medication and they sent her to rest. She spent all night taking care of her. While, while everything was going on, I felt good because I was sober and I could help her. But after seeing the attitude that she towards me, I regret having gone out to share dinner with them. Everything could have been worse, and even the company could have helped me give up. Thank you.